Hello everyone, it's Lindsay, and today I'm unboxing the November Faith Art Box from Creative Retreat Kits. I am on their creative team, so these get sent to me every month for review, but I've been with them for over a year, and I just love the product that they have over there. So let's dive in. Now, you'll notice November's kit is actually preparing you for December and Advent, but that gives you plenty of time to get the kit, get your supplies, and then you can save it to start during Advent, or you can work ahead of time and get it out of the way if you've got other projects or that kind of thing. So I like that they release it a month early. That way you have plenty of time to kind of decide what you want to do with this kit. So one thing I noticed in my box this month that was a little bit different is there's now a little thank you card from them, which I love. And then on the back, it's got information about hashtags that you can use, Facebook groups that you can find online, the YouTube channel, which if you're watching this, I will have that link down below, and also the Pinterest for Creative Retreats. So I love that they include that. I will have all of that information linked down below for you guys, as well as a link to where you can get the kit. So let's dive in with the devotional content. It's titled Prepare Him Room, and it's written by Jen Coram. And just like previous months, kind of the same layout. We got some devotional content, kind of focusing on preparing our hearts, getting our hearts in a good place as we enter into Advent and the holiday season. And that is one of my favorite ways to kind of approach Advent, because it's so easily you can get distracted with all the junk and secular stuff that goes on around Christmas. So I love that we are focusing on just getting our hearts prepared for that season. There are several verses up here, verse references, so you've got plenty of places to jump in and Bible journal if that's something you're interested in. And then you've got some reflection questions. So you can break this up into maybe once a week or a couple times a week, sit down and do it all at once. I usually sit down 2 or 3 times throughout the month and go through the kit, and that's what works for me. But you do have those prompts to kind of get you to respond to the devotional content, and it may take you in a direction that maybe you weren't really headed as you were reading the devotional content on your own. So I love that. And then there is some information about Jen down here if you're not familiar with her work. And then on the back side is, of course, the pattern on the back that you can, once you are done with the devotional content, you can use this to create tip-ins, create mini books, journaling cards, tabs, punch out shapes. I've seen all kinds of creative things be done with the backside. I've also seen some of you using the front title as some creative pieces in your journaling as well, cutting out shapes and things like that and incorporating that title. So don't be afraid to chop this up and use all of the goodies. And then now let's take a look at the products that are included to go along with the kit. You've got your 2 sheets of cardstock stickers. The first one is this alphabet. This is a font that we've seen from Creative Retreat kits before. I love this font. I usually end up using up so many of the letters that I run out of words that I can make, so I can go back and mix and match with some of my past ones. But it's this kind of dusty blue color. And then you've got this sheet of 51 cardstock stickers. And I love that there are some traditional like greens and reds in the color scheme here, but then you've got this pop of mint and pink that really kind of makes it fun and different. And so of course you've got your wonky hearts, your crosses, some flags, some big circle pieces. You may have seen in past videos, I use some 1-inch clear epoxy sticker, like circle stickers, to put over these to add some dimension. That's something that you can do with those. I also have a video showing how to use like, or add glossy accents to the hearts. If I can find that video, it's pretty old. I'll link it down below for you guys. You've got a set of word fetty up here. And like I mentioned last month in one of my videos, if you take a different direction with the devotional, which is not going to be as likely with this one because it's focusing around Christmas, but if you do take a different direction, then sometimes these word fetty may not match up with what you have in mind. This is designed to pair with the devotional content, but don't be afraid to pull out past stickers and mix and match word fetty from past kits. That's something you definitely can do. You've got these fun like branches and poinsettia pieces down here, the little circle hearts, the word peace. So love that. You've got your 3x4 3x4? Yes, 3x4 stamp set. You've got those same branch pieces. I love when they include these kind of basic greenery pieces, because if you've been getting several kits from Creative Retreat Kits, then you can kind of mix and match the stamp sets and kind of build up your collection of greenery stamps. You've got this fun star and a heart, the words prepare, Jesus, room, him. This is one big piece here that says peace, love, joy. This little bow, you could do like a little grouping of the greenery and then stamp the bow maybe in a different color or heat emboss it over the top. That would be really cute. And then you've got this big, bold joy to the world piece. So really adorable, love that. And this is a font I've seen several times in Creative Retreat Kits also, and so you may be able to mix and match some of your past stamp sets as well with that. We've got 2 bow clips this month. You've got this little blue one, and if you'll notice, it's actually this print on the back of your card. So it's a custom print that matches that. Really, really cute. And then you've got this mini leatherette bow. I love this. This is so adorable. Teeny tiny little bow. I think we should see more of these. These are really cute and kind of change things up. So that is everything that's in this month, but I did want to point out that I have last year's November kit, and so I wanted to show you that you can kind of mix and match last year's with this year's. So this is a look at what's in the kit. This is the stamp set. Now this kit is still available as the complete kit. I just looked it up online and it is still available. So if you are wanting maybe more product than what comes in this kit, or maybe you just want a refresher and remember to pull out last year's kit if you got last year's kit, then do that, because you can see the colors are not a perfect match, but they are close enough that you can pull in and mix and match last year's stickers and things with this year's, and you'll see like Joy to the World, we've got Joy to the World. So there are some pieces that will work from last year's, like these pieces that I didn't even use down here, I'll be able to use this year. And then the stamp set, I love like this big Rejoice kind of matches that Joy to the World font. You've got some stars that will go along with this star. So you can't buy this stamp set individually, it is sold out, but you can buy the complete kit from last year. So maybe you want to add that in with this year's kit and then just have plenty to document with. These would even be great if you were doing Project Life or something like that. These smaller kits are kind of great for smaller projects like that, or mini books and that kind of thing, but of course Bible journaling as always. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those down below. Check out the description box for links to everything that I mentioned. Those are affiliate links typically, so just heads up on that. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Be sure to head on over to the Creative Retreat Kits YouTube channel. I'll link that down below, and I will be sharing projects throughout the month over there as well. So until next time, thank you so much. Bye-bye.